Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to flip the ore in Photoshop. Here you can see that this is the original ore, and when I flip it into the horizontally it will show it like this, and when I flip the original ore, this one, into the vertical, it will be displayed like this. You can also flip only the letters in Photoshop. Here you can see that in this layer, in the flip letters layer, I have L and P are flipped horizontally. So I'm gonna show you how you can achieve this one in Photoshop. Let's begin the tutorial. For now I'm gonna close. No, for now I just leave this one as it is. Now let's start the tutorial. First you need to create a one document, file, new, and leave it white background, create. Here I have a one document now. So today I'm gonna show you this tutorial like one word, flip horizontally, flip vertically, and the flip only the letters. Now let's begin. First I need a background with different colors, so if I want to choose the same background for here, I'll go here and I'll pick the eyedropper tools and select the color. Now when I click on the color, purple color, you can see that the color is selected. I go my new document, use the paint bucket tool and paint the whole entire document with the selected color. Now I have the same background as here. Now I need the same color, like a flip in the blue color. So first I choose the color again from eyedrop tool and select the color. When I select the color, you can see that the color is selected here, or you can see the foreground color is here. Now I check the text box. Now I need to write this text in my new document. So I go to the new document from here and I write the text here. My text is flip. Here I have the flip ore. Now I want to flip this ore horizontally. Now let's make the copy of this original flip layer by dragging the layer from here. Drag and leave it on the plus sign, the plus icon, and when you leave on the plus icon, you can see that the flip layer copy is made. So double click on the flip copy and change the name. My name would be flip horizontal. So on this layer, horizontal, flip horizontal. So on this layer I'm gonna flip this ore into horizontally. You guys, here you have a two flip ore. When you use the move tool and move the ore, you can see that there's a two ore. So this is the original one, this is the new layer. Now I have to move this, I have to flip this one horizontally. So go to the edit, free transform, and then here flip horizontally. You can see that your ore is flipped horizontally. Now do again for vertical. Again go back to the original layer, drag and drop on the plus icon and change the name by double clicking on the text and write down here vertical and press enter. Once done. Okay, again here you have the flip and flip vertical is here overlapping to each other, so pull it down. I already have selected the move tool, so I pull it down. Let's put it some this side. Okay, now I have to flip this ore into the vertical. So same process, go edit, transform and select flip vertical. Now you can see that this one is horizontal, this one is vertical. Now the last step is, here you can see that the last step is only flip the ore, but You may have noticed that when you flip it like horizontally and vertically, the Photoshop is flipping the whole words together. But now you just need to flip only the few letters. So again, make a copy of flip and leave it on the plus icon and change it was flip letters only. And again, my move tool is already selected, pull this one down and reposition here. Now to flip the letters only, you have to first convert this layer into the shape. So right click on your layer and go to convert to shape. Now once you convert the layer to the shape, you can see the small icon is appeared there and this layer is converted into the shape. So here after that, use the path selection tool and select only the letter you want to flip. So I have selected F, edit, transform path, vertical. Now you can see that your F is flipped into the vertical. Let's flip this P into horizontal. So again go to path selection tool. Now you can see that your P is selected. Go edit, transform path, flip horizontal. Now you can see that only your letter is flipped horizontally. This is how the flip works in the Photoshop. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.